Hello friends. Today, I'm going to introduce the working principle of a reverse osmosis system. A reverse osmosis system uses membranes made from polymer materials through special processes. These membranes can effectively filter dissolved and non-dissolved inorganic salts, organic matter, heavy metal ions, and other impurities from raw water. Here's how the system works. First, the raw water passes through a quartz sand filter and an activated carbon filter to remove large particles and organic substances. Then, the water is pressurized by a high-pressure pump. Next, the water flows through the row membrane. Water molecules pass through the membrane to form purified water, while dissolved substances and other impurities are retained as concentrated water. Some systems also use a UV sterilizer to further treat the purified water, killing bacteria and viruses, and ensuring the final product meets health standards. That's the basic working principle of a reverse osmosis system. If you want to learn more about water treatment, don't forget to follow us.